In this video, I'm going to be breaking down with you the way that I'm making $10,000 per week selling life insurance here in 2024. I've sold from North Carolina, Charlotte to New Mexico, Texas, Arizona, even outside the country, literally virtually, because my business is all over the phone and all it requires is a phone and computer. And so in this video, I'm going to be breaking down with you the 4 things that you need here in 2024 to be able to make $10,000 per week, literally from anywhere in the world. If we've not yet met, my name is Johnny Nitafan. I'm a life insurance agent that still sells to this day $10,000 on average per week. And I make these videos to help you escape the matrix and live with the freedom that you got into this business for. You got into life insurance because you were chasing a dream, and the dream probably wasn't sitting at your desk for 12 hours per day. It's probably to be able to build your life up, and this would be a vehicle for you. And a lot of people, unfortunately, in this business get trapped in the business that was supposed to create them freedom and allow them to be able to have the vacations and drive the cars that they actually want, and ends up leading them more in debt and enslaved to the business that they hoped would bring them freedom. So I make these videos so that you can literally work from anywhere in the world and have the freedom that you truly got into this business for, and so without sacrificing friends, family, people that you love, the time that you love spending with the people in your life. So let's get right into the video. The first thing that really helped me start scaling past $10,000 per week in my life insurance agency in deposits is a simple thing that you've probably already heard, and it seems cliche, but it's your mindset. It's getting around the thing that there's an abundance of money out there, and there's honestly a lot of people out there that are making more money than me that aren't smarter than me. The people who are making 100, 200, 300,000 a month, even $10,000 per month, aren't in a different situation than me. They had the same thought process and realization that, hey, I could make more money, so I'm going to be able to solve other problems. And when you realize that making money is just solving problems, and that's when you're really able to start scaling your income. And it all starts with your mindset, knowing that, hey, this is actually possible. There's people that I know, literally, that I talk to on a day-to-day basis that are doing this thing, and breaking it down into small little micro details and micro inputs so that you can be able to hit that big goal of $10,000 per week. And all I have to do is solve a big enough problem so that the money flows towards me. And one belief about money that's really helped me is the more that I really don't care about it and I just focus on solving problems, and the more focused and selfless that I get of like wanting to genuinely help somebody else, the faster that I've been able to make money myself. Because the reality is everybody has problems in their life that they're willing to pay for. And for us, people want peace of mind knowing that when, God forbid, something were to happen, that their family is going to be taken care of. So that's a big problem. We're giving peace of mind. That's what we're selling. We're in the happiness business, as Ed Mylett says. That's what we're selling. So that's a problem that is worth paying for, and we get paid a ton of money to do it. So it all starts with your mindset. And that leads me to my second point, which allows me to make $10,000 per week selling life insurance, is generating leads through Facebook ads. It comes down to being able to talk to somebody who's actually interested in the product that you're selling and speaking with them on a consistent basis, day in and day out, and having a simple and replicatable process. This allowed me to scale past $10,000 a week with ease because there's so many leads coming in, like 20 to 30 new leads coming in a day that either pre-booked on my calendar or filled out a long survey that genuinely want life insurance. Like, I can't emphasize this enough. Like, when you start generating your own leads and people start filling out your ads, it breeds so much confidence knowing that, like, when I call this person, like, I was the one that put up the ad. I know what the ad says. I know what the ad copy says. If they say that, oh, this was all free, or it said it was free, or hey, it was only $5 a month, it's like, no, it wasn't. That was probably another ad that you actually filled out. And being able to like speak with confidence and conviction, knowing exactly what the front end says, to be able to get them to come in and fill out the form and become a lead. So generating leads through Facebook and having an abundance of lead flow really helped me scale past $10,000 a month with ease, knowing that, like, hey, if this person gives me an objection or genuinely doesn't want the insurance, I'm not going to persuade or talk into or deceive somebody to buy life insurance. I'm just going to move on to the next person, because I know that with volume, there's so many people that actually want life insurance and want this problem solved and want it solved today. And once I built that pipeline consistently, and having new people come in and also following up with other people, and having AI systems and automations and having a system in place that was able to resolve other leads and get them to engage with me or even call into me, that's when I was able to just scale easily past $10,000 per week. Now, the third thing that I really want to share with you and break down with you so you can take action right now after this video is getting 3 to 5 presentations every single day. And what I mean by this is speaking with 3 to 5 highly qualified people that want to buy life insurance so that you can hit 1 to 3 policies per day from those presentations, even if you don't know how to close, or even if you're not even that good at closing, if you close 1 out of 5, 25%, which is horrible, or 20%, like that will allow you to start scaling past $10,000 per week. So this is what it comes down to. And I made a video previously about this on creating inputs rather than outputs, and having these inputs to be able to help get me to the output of $10,000 per week is super helpful, because it allows me to get out of the thinking of having to get these certain results and just focusing on the things that I actually can control, which is my activity and how many hours of talk time I'm having every single day. So talk time is everything. If you are not tracking this metric right now, make sure to track it. So 3 to 5 presentations a day, and that should lead you to 3 to 5 hours of talk time daily. This helped me scale past $10,000 per week consistently, and not just 1 week, but like literally 52 weeks straight. Now, the fourth thing that I'm going to be covering with you that helped me scale past $10,000 per week is having a script and focusing on one product. I cannot emphasize enough and like share with you and speak with a lot of conviction. Like, it is super important to focus on one product and one product only. I speak with so many agents on a day-to-day basis that are like, hey, I want to focus on term. I want to focus on whole life. I want to focus on IULs. I want to focus on annuities. I want to focus on all these different products that genuinely don't matter. All of them work and all of them make money. But the reason why I say focus on one person and one avatar and one product line and have one framework to be able to take them through consistently is because it's all about one system to $20,000 per month, one system to $250,000 a year. That's all it is. You have to have a simple, duplicatable, and replicatable process that day in and day out, you know that there's so many people out there that want to buy your stuff. And then also that it's simplified issue that you're getting paid within 1 to 3 days of you selling the policy, because index like IULs and annuities and debt-free for life cases, they're nice because they're higher ticket, but there's a longer sales cycle, because at the end of the day, the work that is boring is the work that pays. So if it's boring and you're making a ton of money doing it, just keep doing it, because there's a lot of shiny objects, especially in this industry, to do all these different product lines and sell these different things that really don't matter. So that kind of wraps up this video. So if you really got a ton of value from this video, I would appreciate if you would like, subscribe, and comment down below what your favorite point was, what your goals are for 2024, and how you're looking to scale your life insurance industry. If you've ever gotten value from my content or working with me, I would appreciate if you share this with a friend and subscribe so you don't miss on more content coming soon. Looking forward to see you guys on the next video. Peace.